guys, my name is Ariana Burke and I'm a licensed cosmetologist from Chicago, Illinois, and this is my fur baby Minnie and I call her Mousy. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my makeup in high school, which is hilarious because I was emo to the extremo. Yeah, so we're gonna bring back those raccoon eyes and the scene kid makeup, you know, wearing foundation way lighter than your skin tone because you want to be pale AF. Let's get into this video. So my first step is to take Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics. This is the one I used to use in high school. This is old as fuck. And I would take this MAC brush. This is literally the brush from high school. And yeah, I just paint my eyelids. Wow. This shit is thick because it is old. The next step in my high school routine was to take this palette from Urban Decay because it had this super black color. Urban Decay makes the blackest black eyeshadow ever, and this was called the Black Dog. And I would just take this on my fluffy brush from MAC, and this is where it gets scary. I tapped it into my crease. Oh my god. Oh, can't believe I used to do this every day. I used to do this every day, guys. This is scary. So I only kind of knew what blending was back then. This was blending to me. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing in high school. I definitely did not have friends. I only had 2 friends all of high school because everyone made fun of me and thought I was a freak for doing crazy makeup and having piercings and colored hair. Everyone thought I was a psycho and no one liked me, and it's whatever. Literally everyone used to be like, you should kill yourself. Like, bitch, why are you following me now?
Bitch!
Oh. So my next step in this makeup look is to go back in with this brush. And I don't have the white eyeshadow I used to use. I used the Milani white eyeshadow. I'll put like a picture. That Milani white, it was so sparkly and glittery, and I seriously, to this day, I still love that white eyeshadow. So the closest thing I have right now is MAC Nylon. So I'm just gonna be putting MAC Nylon how I used to do the white from Milani. I'm also going to spray this because that white from Milani is super white, and I'm pretty sure I would even spray my eyeshadows with Fix Plus back in the day. My Fix Plus is kind of broken or something. Okay, so I would always do black and then white. Oh, this is what I used to like, guys. Why did I like this makeup? Oh my god. I can't blend. I want to blend so bad, but like I did not like blend like that in high school. So with my dirty brush, that was like a big thing now because I would like not clean my brush off. I know I did earlier, but I used to not clean it. This is a Tarte holiday palette I used to use in high school, and I loved this color. This silver was everything. I used it all the time. I think I'm understanding why I was bullied in high school now. Oh my god. Okay, I will go back in with the black now because, you know, it's not like I put enough black on. And I would only put it in like my corner. This is the R.E.B. look. The young Ari look. And now this is another thing I would do. I'll put it only on the outer corner here with this big old brush again. So I used to use these in high school too, the Neutrogena, because obviously there's a lot of fallout in this look. So I would always just do this. I loved having like this weird shape here. Like it's not even blended. It's just like a weird half circle. Another thing I love to do was have super dark eyeliner on my waterline. I loved having black liner. Now, how I did my eyeliner is hilarious because I always tried to do winged liner, but like I never tried. I did it in like a freaking second. This is what I would do. Done. This was my favorite part, is I would take the Urban Decay or this stuff, this purple glitter eyeliner. I love the Urban Decay one. That's the one I always use. Oh, this is getting in my eye. It hurts. This eyeliner. Do it for the YouTube. And you think it can't get worse, but this is the beginning. I used to think this looked so good. I used to use these eyelashes every day in high school. I wore these. These are like drag queen eyelashes. These came past my eyebrow in high school and I wore these every day because I wanted to be like Melissa Marie and like the millionaires. I wanted to be like them, so I wore a huge bow and like these lashes. I used to use weave glue to do these lashes. Weave glue. So back in my day, never used primer. I see girls in high school now, I can't believe how good their makeup is. I looked like a clown. Like I didn't prime my face, I didn't contour, I didn't highlight. We didn't have that back then. I had clown makeup back then. I used to go to the Halloween store and stock up on clown white makeup. Oh my god. Oh my god. We didn't do eyebrows back in my high school. Eyebrows weren't a thing. I left high school early though, but while I was at my high school, no one had eyebrows. Oh yeah, make sure you get in those brows. And like when I told you we didn't do eyebrows in my school, is literally, I was like, I don't know if any other girls did this, but literally I just used brow gel, a tinted one that was like orange too because I was blonde. So I was blonde and I would use like orange eyebrow gel from like China because I wanted to be kawaii. So almost done, but I did use bronzer. Made my face as light as I could, and then I put bronzer on. This is embarrassing. And I never wore like lipstick. Like I wore like MAC Myth or something, and or just concealer on my lips like this. So this is my high school makeup routine. I hope you guys thought this video was funny and all that because it was fun to make. So yeah, check out my other videos because I'm obviously way better at makeup now. So yeah, have a lovely day and be subscribed.